Here we have the graph of a relation. Let's find the domain and range. I'll begin with domain. Domain has to do with, remember, x values. So we are interested in how far left and how far right this graph extends. And because of these arrowheads, it's a graph of a line. It extends indefinitely to negative infinity and indefinitely to positive infinity. That means the domain, the x values, make up all real numbers. All real numbers will be x values for this graph. What about the range? Now range, we are thinking of y values. So we're thinking of how far down and how far up this graph extends. Again, thinking of this line, how far down, negative infinity, how far up, positive infinity. So the range happens to be the same thing, and that is all real numbers. So there's our range. And while I'm writing that down, start thinking of the vertical line test, because we want to decide whether this graph is also the graph of a function. And to do so, we use the vertical line test. Think of vertical lines. Now, if you can find a vertical line that cuts the graph 2 or more places, it's not the graph of a function. But notice every single vertical line cuts the graph once. So yes, this is a function. And once again, that's by the vertical line test.